Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the period predictor feature on the My Calendar period tracker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings button down below in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should tap on period prediction at the top, and here you can either use predicted values based on your past cycles, or you can use your own values if you tap on this button in the right side. And if you use your own values, you should add your period length and then the cycle length. And basically that's it. You should just simply tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen to go back to the previous page, and then you will be able to use this period prediction feature. As you can see, there's an ad, so if you would like to close it, tap on the X button at the top. And that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.